going home. We're almost there. I know. Why? What's wrong? Huh?
What's wrong?
Did you kiss?
Shit, man.
Who's excited to see Dada? Say good morning, everything. You wanna go see Dada? We're gonna go. We're gonna see out there, and we're gonna be almost there. That's the word, guys. Almost there. For ano, alam nilang aalis kami, sama sila. You are going with me to see Dada today. Okay? Say good morning. We're gonna see Dada. Because we're gonna see Dada. I know you wanna see your Dada. I know you wanna see your Dada. Good morning, guys. So, ngayon, guys, and nagluluto ako ng rice. Good morning. Sus, ginoo ko. Nagluto ako ng rice kasi po gusto kong kumain ng rice, umaga at egg. Dahil po, para hindi tayo magutom mamayang lunch time. And then, for sure, pagdating ko doon, sabihin ko na naman kay Tami, oh, I'm hungry, ganun. So, kaya, yun, rice it is, and egg. Magluto lang ako ng egg. I think malapit na ito eh. Come here, Misty. Go, baby, quick, hurry up. Go in, let's go. Go in, come on, let's go see Dada. Come on in, let's go see Dada. Come on in, go up. Good girl, you stay there. We're gonna see Dada. Oh, hey, Roxy, where are you going? Roxy, come on, let's go see Dada. Roxy, up, let's go. Come on, let's go see Dada. Come on. Come on, Roxy, up. Come on. Good girls. Okay, kayo. Ilak lang natin ito. Okay, nandun na sila sa loob. You ready? Oh my God, yung kamay ko na. Parang nabali yung kamay ko, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're going. I-text ko lang si Tamimoy. And then, mag-stop ako ng gas. You wait, ha? Okay, I'll be... Mag-wait kayo, ha? Kuha lang sa mama ng plato. Kasi may camera. Oops. Ang ginaw talaga, guys, grabe. Okay, guys, kita-kits tayo mamaya. Tinext ko na si Mr. Anong reply? Nag-response kasi yan eh. Drive careful. Are you guys ready? See, we're ready, Mama. We're gonna see Dada. Yee! Yippee! Yippee! Now we're gonna see Dada. Mister, are you going to see Dada, monkey? We're not going to poke you with needles, okay? Oh, we're gonna dozen na, no? Kuha lang tayo ng gas. Patayin natin yung car. And then, open natin yan. And then, kunin lang ko yung ano, ha? Mama's gonna get some gas and you stay here and I'll be right back, okay? Okay. Why are you making so much noise? Why are you making so much noise? Huh? Why? Why is that? Kabayo man ang budlat na, guys. Tapos na, guys, ang mahal ng gasolina, ginoo ko. 50 road maybe I see stops everywhere. Okay, Rox? Hi guys, Tommy is just talking to the kids because Roxy is like Roxy is huffing and puffing. Roxy's huffing and puffing. Huh? Why? Roxy? We're almost there. Monkey, Misty. Who wants to see Dada? Boy, listen to me. Roxy. Who wants to see Dada? Huh? Who wants to see Dada? Okay, you stay here. Okay. Okay, we have to look at these people because they are like, okay, we're gonna be there. Guys, malapit na kami guys sa bahay ni MaryAnn. We're going home. We're almost there. I know. I know. I know. I know, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, hold. You hold your horsey. Okay, almost there, baby. We're gonna see Dada. Yeah. Dada. Wants to see Dada. Okay. Wants to see Dada. Okay, namintana na si Roxy. Yay! Dada's gonna be here. Yeah. Where's Monkey? Where's Mystica? Where's Misty? Oh, it's freezing cold, Roxy. Oh my God, Roxy. We're almost there, love. Oh, yes, right here. Yes. Oh, Dada's here. Where's Roxy? Where's Roxy? Okay, we're here guys. So ang gagawin ko is ipapasokin ko muna to sila and then gusto na akong uihi guys. Gusto ko nang magwiwi. Mama's gonna uiwi. Okay, who's excited? Dada's over there. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Uy. Oh my God, ang daming buhok dyan. Oy, ang daming buhok. Hi guys, I am home sa isang bahay, my old home. So dito na tayo, yung dalawa nandun. So dito kahapon yung real estate agent. So andito siya kahapon, tinitignan yung bahay. May mga lista sila dito, yung mga bahay na malapit dito. Ito yung mga presyo sa mga bahay. Ang mamahal talaga ng bahay dito. So yun, binibinta na pala itong iba. Ang daming binibintang bahay dito guys. Sa lugar na area dito. Ano yung presyo? Over 500,000 yung presyo. Kahit mga maliliit, ang mahal, Tumaas yung value ng mga bahay. Nag-change price. Meron ditong mga nilista, Naligo lang si Tami. Pumasok sa taas para maligo. And then, ako mag-i-edit lang ako. Worky. Kalahan sa mga I know it's chicken lang. Sarap. It's good.
Mom ain't give you none, you gave to me.
It's spicy. Yummy. Sarap guys. Mistihan. Hi. Eat first.
Come here, Muggy. Serious? Fine, back away, Mr. Brox will eat it.
Nagutom guys. So hungry. The Popeye chicken is good. Yeah, that means Mama have to go home, and then the a lot of the things that I need to put inside the house. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Well, luckily it's cold, so it sits in the trunk. It'll be fine because you won't have heat in the trunk.
Oh god. Hi. It's 65 here, hun. Look, 65.
Yeah. Well, that's what I try to heat on.
Okay, upstairs, hun, up in our house, honey. It's like it's freezing in there, hun. Honestly, hun, it's like freezing. Umalis na yung kausap ni Mr. guys. Galing kami sa kwarto, nagtatago. Doon kami sa bedroom. Doon kami sa bedroom ni Tommy the whole time. Nagtatago kami kasi ito aso kapag may bisita, maingay. So kaya kailangan siyang itago kasi or else hindi sila makapag. Grabe naman si Tommy, eh. 1 hour man din yung usap nila. Ay nako, asan na siya? Han.
Alright.
Tommy. What takes forever?
What?
What takes forever? Because you're talking taking like this, like that. Ah. Why? What's wrong? Huh?
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Did you kiss?
Shit, yeah.
Huh?
I kiss you. Does that count?
Kiss me more.
I kiss you. Let's see. Oh, Roxy, I got your mom on Rox. She's like, what about me?
Hey, what's happening? Oh, Dada will give a roast beef to the kitties. To the doogies. Guys, Tommy is giving his...
Stick her nose.
Ala.
Sticking her nose up on the table.
Anyway, guys. Yeah, you need to open it more.
No, it's open. I just need to separate it.
Kasi, you think that, hon, you know what, honey? You buy that one and you put in the freezer? That's probably bad.
Which one?
The one, you got one of that. You have to open it more. Cut it more.
Well, it should open because I got the seal.
No, you have to cut it down more.
Look at this one.
Roxy, your nose. I know, it smells good, right? Not even good, honey.
Yes.
Okay, one each. Be careful. One each, huh? Make it smaller, huh? And also, look, she's excited, huh? She knows, huh? She knows.
Your mama will mix it for you.
She knows. Hi guys, my husband is throwing me out now.
Take a look at the shop rice.
Yeah. Is rice have expiration, huh?
I don't know. I don't think rice expires.
No, there's no expiration.
I never saw an expiration on the rice.
Yeah, I don't either.
I don't think rice goes bad.
Okay, so what do you want me to put this in the car?
Yeah, I'll put it in the trunk.
Oh god, that means guys when I get home this is what I do.
2 of them, man.
But there's more in the from Costco thing we got. What I'm getting.
Well, the bottom bin
Yeah.
is filled already.
I know,
rice
but
and
the
beans.
Costco thing that we just got shopping today, I still have to bring that inside the car house.
So you want to leave these and I'll bring when I come?
I'll do it because I can do it I'm not gonna do it every day.
Alright, open your trunk.
I'll
Okay, you open the trunk.
put this.
And you still got the refrigerator food.
Yeah, that's important. Priority to take out.
That should go into the trunk where it's colder.
I know, but also to prioritize to bring inside the house.
Right. But actually, you can probably throw it in the trunk now because it's colder.
Hey, the chicken, Han, you have to leave this fries because I'm not eating the fries. I took bag already for that. Tinago niya yung chicken, guys, kasi may bisita. The bag on top of the table.
Yeah.
Okay. This is, you don't want the lamb? You want the thing inside?
I'll keep one pot roast.
Huh?
I'll keep one pot roast.
I know, but
Don't put this yet.
Yeah.
I'll give you the other stew. And the beef stew.
Allah, this is beef stew?
Yeah. You were the one who said you wanted it.
No, you took it.
No, you said, oh, I want this. What is this? I said beef stew. I got the one pot
Han, do you want bread, Han?
No, I got bread. I got bread up
Oh, there is right here.
there. It's a hot dog.
Okay, can I put this now here?
Yeah.
Han, you don't have food, Han.
Take the rice back.
No, I want you
I
here.
got a little rice here.
I don't want it. I just cooked this morning. I cook like a big, I cook a lot of rice this morning. Han, do you need this cover for something?
That's the roast beef. No.
Hi, you have vegetables. Eat vegetables. Oh, Brussels sprout.
Brussels sprouts. I've been eating them.
Brussels sprout
I've
with
eaten
a
them
thing.
cold, like snack food.
Brussels sprout with the beef, okay? Get another. This is.
Still not closing.
Wala, you have to close it properly. The chicken. Oh, put this in there. This is the fries. You need more chicken.
No,
So what I'm gonna do with this
you're
chicken?
gonna eat it.
Oh my God, hun! Make sure that refrigerator is closed properly, honey.
I thought I had another bread. No, the hot dog rolls we bought today.
No, is that hot dog roll?
Yeah,
Where is it?
up here.
Why this one is not closing properly?
I don't know. Something.
This one.
Yeah. Put it on top of the rice.
Hala, hun, you don't have bread, hun.
I thought. Oh no, I do. It's up here.
Okay.
I knew I had one. Trying to figure out what
Okay,
else.
I'm going to put this in the car. Can you go with me? Yo, kisses Dada. Bye-bye. We're gonna say bye-bye. Oh, yeah, I know. You love your Dada. I know you wanna stay with Dada. You wanna stay with him? Yeah. Yeah, we're leaving na, guys. Kasi Tommy have to work tomorrow early.
Hey, good girls. I know. I know.
Why she doesn't really wanna go?
I know.
Yeah, you have your siblings in the house. Probably Hub's crying now. Okay.
I gotta put laundry in.
Why you don't do that before? Okay, Hannah, we have to go. I have to put them in the car, okay? Oh, the laptop, Han. Okay, guys. Alis na kami, guys. And I need to go kasi po. What? I know you're mad. You see a dog out there? You did see a doggy? You see a doggy? What happened to the doggy, love? Huh? Iwan na namin si Tommy. Si Roxy ba, ayaw iwan yung dada niya. Ayaw magpakarga. Nagpabigat-bigat para hindi siya mabulagay sa sakyan. Right, love? You say bye-bye to dada. We're gonna see almost there. Okay? Okay, drive tayo 1.5 hour, guys. And then yung dalawa doon, mapunta tayo ng bahay. Ngayon 7:30. Handun tayo. So, yun. Anyway. I'll see you guys later. Home. Home sweet home. Home sweet home, Alabama. Mama loves. Habs, come. Hello guys. So, dito na ako. Hindi ko pa kinukuha lahat yung nabili namin sa Costco. Kasi, ang bigat. Ito, ilagay ko to sa ziplock and then i-freeze. Ilagay sa freezer. And then, guys, bumili ako ng mga Nutella. Ang mahal ng Nutella, guys, pero dalawa man. Ito, 12 something dollars. Pero dalawa siya. Nutella para sa Pinas, guys. Look, ipadala. Family, sister, brother. Bibili pa ako ng extra. Isa. Sa Walmart na ako bibili kasi kailangan ko itong ipadala agad. Pero matagal pa naman itong ma-expire. Padala ko yan. At saka mayroon pang chocolate doon sa sa sasakyan. Nakabili din ako ng mango. Matagal ko na itong gustong bilhin. Pero every time na magpunta si Tommy, nakalimutan talaga niya itong mango. Yun, meron na tayong mangga. Of course, yung paborito nating. Look, oh. $4.99. For how many it's in here? 12. And it's $4.99. Yung nabili ni Tommy na 12 is $40, diba? Alaking kaibahan. At ito, malaki din siya. At saka masarap. Same lang. And then, bumili si Tommy ng Skippy. Masarap ito, guys, sa bread. Pero, hindi ako mahilig sa ganito. Pero, masarap siya. Pero, hindi ako mahilig. Hindi din ako mahilig sa Nutella. Yung family ko lang mahilig sa Nutella. Yung chicken na bili namin kanina. Ilagay ko sila sa bag. Meron pa guys sa sasakyan, guys. Kaso, hindi ko na sila maasikaso lahat. Kasi po, itong Hawaiian sa Costco, guys. Alam nyo, ang mura. And then, na siya, dalawa lang. One pack, hindi, magkano nga ito? 5 something dollars. Or 6. Dalawa. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16. 16 plus 16. 32. 16. 6, 6, 6, 2. 32 for, ano, $5. 5 something dollars. O, diba? Saan ka maghanap, guys, kung ganun? Isang pack lang siya. Doon sa Walmart, maano na ito. Ito, nasa 4 something na dollars. Ganito. At saka, I think ganun. 12 lang. Ito, 16. Diba? Mas mahal siya. Pero doon sa Costco, mura lang siya. And, bumili kami ng doon kalaganing ito sa isang bahay. Mga pasta. Kailangan ko lang itong ilagay dito kasi ang daming pasta. Anyway guys, i-end ko na tong vlog guys. Thank you guys so much for watching for today's video ha. Salamat ng marami. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Thank you so much. Isiparit ko lang ito para hindi natin makalimutan. At saka meron akong ipadala ko din yun dito. Anyway guys, bago natin ito i-end, ilabas ko lang yung ipadala ko kasi mag-start na akong mag-impake para padala. Meron din ako dito marami ako dito pero hindi ko siya kakainin guys. Marami ba yun? Asan yun tinago ni Tami? Kasi hindi ko yan kakainin. Asan niya yan tinago? Hala, ang daming pasta guys. Hala. Oh. Ano to? Hala guys, nawala guys. Spam ba? Saan ni Tami yung nilagay yung spam ko? Nasa baba ata. Dinala sa baba. Ay, kaloka talaga itong semester. Anyway, so I guess yun. Thank you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Merry Christmas to you.